Hello everyone, it's me, Mr. Martinez. I hope you guys are doing well. What this video is going to do is it's going to cover what you need to install and how you should install Eclipse for programming. Now this is done on a Mac, but it can be done the exact same way. So the first one, you go to your links and you'll see that the first one is Java SDK. You're going to download it. Now for Windows users, you'll want this one here, the Windows x64. For Mac, you'll want this one. Now, giving you all a heads up that Oracle now requires you to sign up with them, okay? So go ahead and sign up with them, and that'll allow you to download it. Now, the second one you'll want to actually download is Java. Just click Agree and start free download, okay? It'll determine whether you're Windows or Mac, so it doesn't matter. The last one is Eclipse. And again, you'll click on Eclipse, you'll go to download 64-bit, and you'll click download. Now to save time, I've already downloaded everything here. Okay, here's the JDK, here's Java, and Eclipse. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to decompress my JDK. Okay, and I'm going to install this one first. Now I'm going to hit continue, install. And then what's going to happen is it's going to write the developer files that we're going to need in order for this to work. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do Java. And Java's going to do the same thing. It's pretty straightforward. Okay, Java update. I'm going to click this. Go ahead and open. That's fine. Put in your password for your computer. And install. And what this is going to do is it's going to update the latest programming language of Java. Java is always updating itself, so you want to make sure that that's done. And then last, what you're going to do is you're going to click on Eclipse. Now, Eclipse gives you this installer. The installer just gets things started. You're going to need to actually download more files. I'm going to open this. Again, this is all the same process on Windows. So when I'm going to minimize this. I'll minimize this right here. So it's going to open up. Give it a second. And when it opens up, you're going to do the top one, okay? For me, what I'm going to do, the installation folder, for Windows, you can keep it as is. But for me, I'm actually going to change it to my applications folder so I know where it is. And I'm going to hit install. Go ahead and accept the license agreement. And it's going to install. So again, what this is doing is it's downloading the files on the back end. If you didn't install Java first, this won't even run. It'll tell you you need some type of Java virtual machine or something like that, okay? So it's installing, Again, it's taking longer than usual, probably because of the website. So we'll just wait a second. Almost there. Okay, sorry that this video is taking a little bit longer. There we go. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to remember choice and then hit accept. And it's very nearly done. So it's downloaded everything that we needed. And boom. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit launch. Okay. So here's the Eclipse IDE. Now one of the things that you might want to do is you'll probably want to, if you're on a Mac, right click, go to options and choose keep in dock. Because what happens is when you look for Eclipse on standard Mac, it sometimes just pulls up the installer. Okay? Now the other thing you want to do is by default put a check in this, use this as a default and do not ask again. I now hit launch. Okay? So it's going to install some Git tools if you're on a Mac. This is a new thing. This should only take a few seconds. And here we go. If you see this, you are golden. You want to put always show, or you make sure that this one is unchecked, and you're going to close this. And here we go. We are solid. This new donate screen for some of you people, it's new, but don't worry about it. You can close it. So if you see this, we are good to go and you are ready for class. Any questions, just email me.